Hello, thank you for joining me today. What I'm going to be doing today is a little unboxing on something I got this morning. I've been looking for home for a while and I found this in my local tool station shop. You'll have to excuse if I've got an orange glow about my face like an Oompa Loompa, but I've actually got my fire going in here because it's rather cold in here today. But anyway, get back to this. Yeah, I was looking for a random Orbital sander. Because some of the things what I do, I have got a Black & Decker mouse, which I bought this off a boot sale at. I paid £2 for this. It is a good cracking little machine. I wasn't expecting it to be any good for £2 like, but yeah. Anyway, I purchased this. It's the Draper Expert 230 watt random orbit palm sander. Like I say, it's from Draper Tools. The part number is RS230KA. I'll just read you a little bit off the back of the box. It says rated voltage 230 volt, rated input 230 watts. The pad diameter is 125 millimeters. The orbit diameter is 2.7 millimeters. There's no load speed on it, so it's 12,000 a minute. The weight of the machine only is 1.4 kilos. It says on the bottom of the box, supplied with dust box with self-extraction, a vacuum cleaner dust extractor adapter, 3 hook and loop sanding sheets, and a BS approved moulded plug and 3 metre cable approximately. With this I also purchased some extra sanding discs, also from Tool Station. These are the tool pack. I've got a 60, an 80, a 120 and a 240. Their packs are 10. And they cost £1.73 per pack for 10 pads, which at that price you can't really moan at that. The sander itself cost me £36.96, which at the time of this video that was the cheapest sander, orbital palm sander, as I could find. So like I said, I went to my local tool station and purchased this. This isn't a sponsored video in any way. I just paid for this out of my own money, so I'm just going to get on and we'll do an unboxing on it and have a look at it. Right, so on the box, we've got all this shrink wrap plastic on it, so I'm just going to put all that off. It doesn't actually say anywhere on the box about any warranty. It just says on it fully guaranteed. Whether it tells you anything in the instructions about any warranty, I don't know, but I'll just have a look. Right, so straight into the box. You've got your instructions. You've got your 3 pads what they give you in the box. You've got your dust extractor if you haven't got use of a shop vac or a hoover. That's what fits to the machine. And you've got the little attachment what allows you to put a hoover to it so it'll get rid of your dust. And that's it, there's nothing else in the box. The weight of the machine, just take it out of the bag, is actually not much difference in weight to my Black & Decker mouse, but being a top hold would be more easier to hold, because this is quite awkward once you get it going to hold, because obviously the vibrations. We've got a nice hook and loop base on the bottom. We've got the self extractor which just slides on and you get it into that little groove, like so. That just slides on, and then it just slides off. Same with the dust collector, dust hose adapter. Just slides into place, like so. There's little grooves on it. Little grooves in the adapter, I don't know how well you can see that. And there's corresponding grooves on there where they slide into. Like so. And then you just attach your dust hose to there. Yeah, it actually feels quite nice. Like I say, it's got rubberised grip on top, on-off switch at the front, which is protected with a rubber cover to stop any debris getting in there, any dust. I'll just have a look in the instructions to see if it says anything about a guarantee or anything. I would expect there to be some sort of warranty on it. Yeah, it actually says inside the manual about the guarantee. It says that you have to provide a proof of purchase must be provided with the tool. If upon inspection it's found that the fault occurred due to defective materials or workmanship, repairs will be carried out free of charge. This guarantee period, covering parts and labour, is for 12 months from the date of purchase, except where tools are hired out when the guarantee period is 90 days from the date of purchase. The guarantee is extended to 24 months for parts only. This guarantee does not apply to normal wear and tear, nor does it cover damage by misuse, carelessness or unsafe handling or alterations or anything like that. So yeah, you do get a guarantee. And also in this there's a declaration of conformity. And it's just telling you that everything's been tested on the machine before it's been sold, basically. I think that's what that is. But yeah, I mean, the instructions, it's quite self-explanatory really of what you have to do. You plug it in and put your machine on, your dust extractor or your box on the back of it. There's a parts diagram in there also, and stick your pad on and make sure you wear your safety protection, your dust masks and your eye goggles. And then away you go. Well, that's self-explanatory really. Got a troubleshooting part in the back of the manual. And that's it. I'm just going to set it up now, and we'll try it on a little piece what I've got, what I need sanding. Right, I've just unwrapped all the cable on it, and I've got this little Christmas tree. As you can see, there's a black mark on it, and it's quite rough. One thing I must add, the discs what you actually get in the packet are all 80 grit. It would be nice if they put one of each grit paper in there, just so you could try it, you know. But anyway, you've got your hook and loop system, quite easy. Just push it on, make sure it's secure, press it on there, I'm not going to actually use the Hoover attachment on here because I don't want it too noisy for the video. I want you to listen what the machine sounds like as best as you can. I'm just going to try it on this little piece and see how it gets rid of them black marks on it. As you can see, the line down the middle. I'm just readjusting this because I've not lined it up with the holes on the machine. I didn't have the holes lined up properly, so this box has not been used, as you can see. And what I'll do when I finish sanding this little piece, I'll just take the dust collector off the back and we'll see how much dust it's actually collected. As you can see, that black mark is fully off and that's nice and smooth. Obviously I'll put the smoother grit sandpaper on it just to give it a final finish, but I'm just going to do it on the other side now because this other side's rough as well. So you can see he's done a grand job of that. It actually feels quite smooth as it is, but I'm going to put the 120 and 240 on it just to give it a final smooth off in a minute. But as you can see there's not a lot of dust on there for what I've just done. I'm going to take the box off. And there's minimal dust inside there. I think you have to take the top off the box like so. And as you can see inside there's all the dust what's been collected, and there's a little foam filter in top of the box. So all you need to do is empty that out and just clean it out, suck it out with a Hoover, and away to go. Yeah, that's the Draper Expert 230 watt random orbit perm sander. Like I say, it's feels good in the hand, you know, to use it. It stripped that black mark off that perfectly well, without any trouble. I'm going to give it another light sanding in a higher grit sandpaper, and then I'll finish those off. But yeah, if you've got any questions you'd like to ask me about the product, then I'll try and answer it in the best way I can. I'll leave a link in the description to where I bought it from. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up for the video, then please give me a thumbs up. And like I said, if you've got any questions you'd like to ask, then please leave a comment in the section below. If you'd like to press the bell icon in the corner of your screen. That'll alert you when I put a new video up. But apart from that, have a nice day and or evening wherever you're watching it, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks a lot.